Bro, this nigga is not being for real right now. Bro, this nigga is crashing out, dog. Hardcore. You gotta ram it harder than that, bud. Wow, he did that. He really did that. Good job, buddy. What you gonna do now? You dumbass nigga. Oh God, you were the dumbest nigga I ever seen in my life. Wow. What the fuck, dude? This dumbass nigga just fucking broke the fucking building open. Hell the fuck nah, nigga, you going to jail. What's this nigga doing? He about to double back. He about to run across the street and go up in that bitch. I'm gonna have to post up right here. Fuck nah, dumbass nigga. Where the fuck you going?